Hey, do you already have a Netflix account and want to sign in on your iPhone? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to log in and start streaming in seconds. If you want a tutorial on how to create a brand new Netflix account, I have actually covered that in another video. I'll drop a link to that in the description below if you want, but assuming you have already created an account, here's how it works. First, make sure to install the Netflix app from the App Store. It works really well in the app version instead of the web version on smartphones. So once the app is installed, open it, choose Sign In from the top, enter your user credentials. You can also use the sign-in code for this, but in this video, I'm going to use my email and password. Once we are done entering the email and password, tap Sign In. Now choose your profile, and there you have it. You're now signed into Netflix on your iPhone and ready to stream. If this helps you out, then hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and comment which show you're watching first. And I'll see you in the next video.